Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves determining the slope of parallel lines in coordinate geometry. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. In the standard xy coordinate plane, what is the slope of a line parallel to 3x plus 7y equals 4? To find the slope of the line, we should keep the variable y on one side and bring the rest to the other side of the equation. So we write 7y equals minus 3x plus 4. We can divide the equation by 7 to get y equals minus 3 sevenths x plus 4 sevenths. Now we can easily find the slope of the line by looking at the coefficient of x. We are looking for the slope of a line parallel to this line, and we know that the slope of parallel lines is always the same. So the answer is D. Great. Such problem can be solved easily in less than 1 minute, so that you can save time for more difficult problems on the test. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.